Hello fellow viewers, subscribers and friends, how are you doing? This is gonna be a fast one. I'm gonna change the dust cover, as this has one tear or two, for a new one. I'm gonna show you how you install these nets. First, you'll glue the Velcro to the car. This has sticky side, but that's not enough, so I use epoxy glue. This will go like so, and I will make two holes here at the front, one for the camber arm and the other for the steering link, so it passes here, and this helps holding it in place here and stays like so. Alright, I'm gonna do that and be right back to show you how it's done and the result. It's done. What I've done is made a hole here, you see, camber arm, a hole on the steering arm and on the rear. I said I was going to put it here, but you can't, because that way you couldn't open it. I just stuck it. You have a hole here on the rear, you just stuck it in. It doesn't touch, no moving parts. So you just stuck it in very well, and that's it. You have your dust cover installed. I hope this was helpful. This was a fast one, just to explain you this. Links for this product in the description. You can also use my discount codes, I always put them there. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.